You won't impress your audience with this slide. Do this instead. Insert an image. Insert an image and then add a rectangle that takes the whole top area of the slide. Remove its outline and change its color to white. Then add a text box and write your text. Holding Shift on your keyboard, select the shape first and then the text. Go to Shape Format, then Merge Shapes and click on Combine. Add your content. Add your content, select everything and group it with Ctrl-G. Then go to Animations and click on Fly In. Change the effect options to From Top and you're done. Save this. Change direction of animation as you wish. If you found this PowerPoint tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy PowerPoint techniques. Let's transform your presentations together. Don't miss out on my next video. Click the subscribe button now.